Hi guys, in front of me is Realme 10 Pro Plus, and let me show you how to change wallpaper on this device. So at first, you need to open the list of all apps, then find and select Settings, and here locate Wallpaper and Style. Now go to Wallpapers, and you can choose one from the following categories. So you can choose your own album and pick one from your own photos, one from inventive wallpapers. You can make a carousel wallpaper, then choose live or static wallpapers. If you'll tap on more, you will be able to access plenty of more categories, and then you can smoothly pick some picture if you wish to apply it. Just by sliding, you can look how they look on your home screen and lock screen also, and then just pick the one that you want to apply. Let me pick one from default static wallpapers, maybe this one. This is how it will look like. Tap on apply and then decide if it's for your lock screen only, just your home screen, or both of them. And that's it. As you can see, it has been done. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.